something. As you prepare to pack up the moving truck and head toward your new home, it's important to spend time planning the snacks you'll have to take with you. Planning ahead, you have to ensure that you have healthy and convenient choices that allow you to make the most of your en route trucking. The kitchen should be the last room you pack up because you're going to need it to cook food the week before your move. Also, it's important to have some utensils and dishes around on moving day so you can help make snacks to sustain your move. One example of a simple and nutritious snack is trail mix. You can either buy some from the store or make it on your own. If you're making it on your own, you can customize it however you like. But some basic staples are dried fruits, nuts, and maybe a little chocolate for your sweet tooth. A homemade trail mix is also a great way to use up some of the last remaining staples sitting around your house before your move. It's a great way to mix protein and fiber that will give you a sustained energy for the lifting and for the road. Apples might be the easiest and quickest way to get a boost of natural energy. Cut them up beforehand and sprinkle them with a little lemon or lime so they don't go brown. Put them aside in baggies, and you can enjoy them dipped with almond butter, peanut butter, or anything else you like. Moving is a workout. Make sure you're fueling your body with the right foods to feel good. For more snack ideas and for more moving tips and tricks, visit our blog, movinginsider.com. And also remember to share your moving day snacks and your moving day memories with the hashtag U-Haul Famous. Happy moving!